Hey guys, what's going on? So you just bought your new boat and it's time to get it loaded up. Let's take a look at a little beginner package. First, you're gonna need life jackets. We have a great selection of Ronik's life jackets here. These are all Coast Guard approved and they look good, gonna be great out there. If you're looking for something a little more slimmed down, Follow has an impact vest, which is great, super comfy, and I love them for surfing. Now that you've got your jackets, you're gonna want your boards. I have 3 boards that I like to set people up with. First, we have the Coalfish Classic, perfect all-around board. This is gonna be great for just getting on the water. Everybody can use it, super fun. Up next, we have the Ronik Sprocket. This one's gonna be a little bit more aggressive, nice, fast board. Still, everyone can use it, get on it, and you'll have fun zipping around out there. The last board on that list is going to be our Skimmer. This is going to be great for if you've been surfing for a little while and you want to get out there and do some 360s and really cut around in the water. They're slippery, so it's super fun. Now that you've got the nice boards, you're going to want to protect it from the sun, make sure no damage comes. Surf sock, protect it from scratches, any lamination issues, you're good to go. Get yourself a surf rope because something's got to pull you out of the water. Moving on from surfing, you're going to want a tube rope. Got a nice selection of those, anywhere from 1 person to 4 people. And then grab yourself a pair of Costas because you got to be able to see out there. Thank you and congratulations on the new boat. Have a great summer.